Hi there, welcome back to another video. If you are suffering from a bad posture trying to fix it, then this video is for you. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to practice with me. So let's get started. First and foremost, to start with, sit in any comfortable posture. It could be half Sukhasana or full Sukhasana. Try to keep your spine in neutral position, erect. Feel like the water is falling from your back. Sit still, close your eyes, and breathe nicely. Take 5 rounds of breathing. To be present with your breath, try to focus on your exhalations more. And after 5 rounds, you can just open your eyes and let's get started ahead. First, interlock your fingers and take elbows to the side of your body. Make the fists tight to have some openness in your shoulder blades and the whole arms. Then take the arms above your head and hold it there and keep breathing. And from there, exhale to the right side. Keep breathing. Hold the posture and continue breathing. Inhale back to the center. And then exhale to the left side. Continue breathing. Breathe nicely. And with inhale, back to center. Exhale, open the fist and hands to the side in cactus arm. Inhale and again twist it to the right side. Exhale, center. Inhale to the left side. Keep your hands strong and intact. Back to center. Again, inhale to the side. Exhale to center. And then release. Now take your hands to the side of your hips. Take your shoulder blades up close to your ear and bring them down. You can keep the hands away from the body and then eventually bring them on top of the head. Try to grab the elbows using your palms and keep it intact and keep your spine straight and continue breathing. Then inhale, look back, give a gentle back bend. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, hands open and brings back to down. Now from here, get into all your fours. Your toes should be pointed out, hips and knees are in a line, and hands are strong and firm. Use your shoulder blade movement to bring it close to ear and bring it down to create some movement in your shoulder blades and in your upper back. Do it with control, and you can also bend your elbows and go a little deeper into the practice. Now from here, exhale and get into a forward fold. Extend your hands in front of the body. Lower down your hips to best of your capabilities with the ease and bring the hands as down as possible. Straighten your fingers, lower down your chin or your forehead over the yoga mat, and then eventually you have to find that comfort cushion where you feel really comfortable, and then eventually exhale and come up. Now from here, sit with both the legs right in front of the body. Hug your thighs and lift one leg at a time. Try to keep your spine straight. And if possible, lift both the legs together. Breathe over here. Exhale, release. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, release. Inhale, lift up. This time, release the hands and bring them to the sides of your legs. Hold the pose, engage the core and breathe. Keep the stance intact and then exhale, lower down. If possible, try to grab both the big toes using your both the hands and inhale, lift up your leg. Try to extend the legs to the point where you feel comfortable. Keep holding the pose and continue breathing. And then exhale, lower down the leg and relax. Sit up straight in butterfly pose. Lower down the knees to the sides. Bring both the feet together, close to the groin. Now extend the left leg. Continue keeping the right leg folded. Take the hands support at the back. Give a nice gentle back bend. And stretch the left leg, fold it and bring it little higher than the floor. Now fold the left leg and fold this time right leg and lift it up in the air little away from the floor and then eventually bring it down. Now take both the legs together, hands to the sides of the body in line with your shoulder, fingers facing towards your body. Inhale and try to lift up your hips up in the air for tabletop position. Breathe here. And then exhale, lower down. Again, inhale, hold the tabletop. Breathe. Exhale, lower down. Now extend both the legs. Try to extend the body and inhale, lift up in reverse tabletop position. Hold the pose but continue breathing and then exhale, release it. Sit up straight in Dandasana. Inhale, hands goes up in the air and with exhale, try to get into a seated forward fold, Paschimottanasana. Grab the big toes or hold the shin bone. Keep the spine straight and continue breathing. Hold it up there. And then exhale and inhale, hands goes up and exhale, release. Now from here, lie down on your belly over the yoga mat. Keep your elbows straight down your shoulder. Keep your hands down and extend the leg at the back, pointing the finger toes towards the floor and get into a simple back bend. Hold the pose and breathe. Continue breathing and you can also look towards the heel while maintaining the stance. And then exhale and get into a comfortable Makarasana. Again, palms goes next to the shoulder and inhale, get into a back bend. Bhujangasana. You can also look at the heels. Continue breathing. Fold one feet at a time. And then exhale, release. Fold both the feet together. Hold them from the shin bone. And inhale, get into a bow pose. Continue breathing. And then exhale, lower down. Keep the hand stance intact while holding the legs. And again, inhale, get into a bow pose. And then exhale, release. Extend legs, relax over here. Extend hands to the sides. Extend legs to the side. And let your body feel the back bend. Now from here, get into your side of your body. First, get into right side, fold the right leg, take the left leg out of thigh, use your core to support you. Inhale, lift up your hip And if possible, extend the left hand up in the air, look at the thumb or in front of your body and breathe. Exhale, release the pose. Now sit up straight, maintaining the leg stance. And from there, we can twist to the left side of the spine while having a good support by your left palm, holding up the left leg using the right palm, and then exhale, look forward and release the pose. Now from here, get into left side of your body over the yoga mat, fold the right leg above the left. Inhale, lift up your hips, look at your upper thumb or in front of the body and hold the pose. Exhale, release. Now sit up straight, keeping the leg stance same. Now this time we twist towards the other side. Hold the pose. Continue breathing. And then exhale, look forward and release the pose. Now very mindfully lie down over your yoga mat, facing the back over the yoga mat. Make any adjustments if you have to. Bring the feet very next to your hips. Bring the hands to the sides of your hips and inhale, lift up the hips. Get into a bridge pose. You can keep the hands to the sides or at the heels or over your belly and continue breathing. And then exhale, release. Now again, inhale and lift up and hold the pose, and this time try to extend one leg at a time while having the hands support over the yoga mat. Extend the left leg first, bring it again back, then extend the right leg for engaging your glutes more. And then exhale, release. Now fold both the knees together, rotate them clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. Let your lower body feel relaxed and rejuvenated. Feel the relaxation and rejuvenation while having the hands over the yoga mat for a better stability. And then eventually hug your knees together. Bring them close to your chin without any discomfort. Lower down the head and relax. Let your lower spine, where we hold maximum amount of stress, our shoulder, back of the shoulder, feel relaxed. Extend one leg at a time while holding the other knee using your both the palms. Extend it nicely but have a good control over the core. And if possible, extend both the legs together up in the air and eventually bring it down. Now extend the legs to the sides of your body in Shavasana. Let your breath guide you to feel relaxed. As you inhale, your belly goes up. Exhale, belly goes down. You inhale from nose to chest to belly and exhale from belly, chest and eventually from your nose. With every passing breath, let your whole body feel relaxed and be very present with how you feel about your body. Your back of the head is feeling relaxed. Your shoulder, neck, upper spine, middle spine and lower spine is feeling relaxed. Your hips, back of the whole leg, thighs, back of the knee, calf muscles and heel feeling relaxed. Sole of the feet feeling relaxed. Your arms are feeling relaxed. Your entire front part of your body is feeling relaxed. your whole body, chest, abdomen, lower abdomen, everything is feeling relaxed. Let your facial muscle, your entire head feeling relaxed. Let your eyes, eyebrows feeling relaxed. Use this time to feel more relaxed and connect with your breath. Try to focus on letting go all the tension at any part of your body might be carrying through your working hours or your bad posture or maybe standing for really long or sitting for really long. Let all those feelings get out of your body so that you be present, and then stretch your body in a line so that you feel the most out of it, and then fold the leg, switch to either side of your body, and take some time and with your own comfort and ease. You need to get up and sit upright. Use your breath to guide you to feel more calm and be in the present moment. And whenever you feel ready, rub your palms, gather the energy, and just tell yourself a big thank you for showing for yourself. I hope you had a good practice with me. If you have liked anything about the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.